So you see, now we have the Mandarin rolling in from Kelly's step. Now that activates the elevator. Now the elevator starts once the Mandarin activates the sonic sensor, which turns on the relay. Relay supplies power from the 3.5 volt power source to my motor. Motor actually spins and rolls the elevator up via the spool so that the marble can be lifted by the little elevator cart. Now the marble rolls down to the progressive dominoes. Dominoes hit the weight. The weight actually crushes the paper factory, and because it's crushed, a material failure, it allows the weight to fully travel 2 feet down and the rocket ship to travel 2 feet up. Now, the video's over. So when the sonic sensor is activated, what really happens is that it turns on the relay for 45 seconds. Once the relay is turned on, 2 electromagnetic contacts connect, completing a circuit from the power source to the actual motor. Now, once this happens, as you know, it goes to the motor, which goes through a gear train, which multiplies the torque output by 120 times. And that involves a worm gear, a 24-tooth gear to an 8 gear, that to a 40 gear. So it's a lot of torque.
And then you see how this relates to our theme. Well, the 8-pound weight actually crushes this evil lemon bar factory, causing it to self-destruct as I added in with VFX and stuff. But obviously, as you can see, it's not just VFX, it's a real paper box, which is my material failure, being crushed by the weight, allowing, again, the rocket ship to fly up. And the orange starts the actual step. So the orange coming into the actual factory ruins the factory's batch because it's supposed to be a lemon bar factory, but oh no, an orange got in, and that triggers the self-destruct sequence. And that's basically what my machine is all about, finishing up our story and causing the factory to blow up. So just to review on how each step is supposed to function, the sonic sensor is supposed to be activated by the Mandarin, which activates the Arduino code, which tells the relay turn on for 45 seconds, which makes the motor turn on for 45 seconds because it gets its power from the power source, and then that runs the elevator for 45 seconds, which goes through a gear train before that, and then that causes a marble to hit a series of progressive dominoes, which hits a weight, which causes a material failure. And that's all 3 components. That's my Arduino, that's my simple machine, and that's my material failure. And for me especially, this was an incredibly difficult task. I just want to re-illustrate that one more time, and also how this connects to the engineering design process. When I was designing my elevator and the rest of the machine, there was an incredible amount of testing, improving, and creation on my part. I went through so many different circuits, so many different iterations of my elevator. I wish I took more pictures, honestly, and more videos. But yeah, there was just a lot of that engineering design process on my end, and it was a very good learning opportunity.